Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through streaming in 4K on Twitch and what you actually need to make it work. First, understand that Twitch officially limits bitrate, so true 4K is only possible with very high settings and partner access. Make sure you're a Twitch partner before attempting this. Next, you need a powerful computer, a high-end graphics card, and very fast, stable internet with high upload speed. Open OBS and go to Settings, then Video. Set your base and output resolution to 3840 by 2160. Now go to Output Settings and increase your bitrate to the maximum Twitch allows. Use hardware encoding for better performance. Save your settings and test your stream privately to check stability. Keep in mind that 4K uses more resources and may limit viewers on slower connections, so monitor performance closely while streaming. Subscribe the channel for more videos.